Okay, hey. Welcome back to Naturalee'LaTree Inspires. I'm trying to make sure I get a good angle here. I hope this is good. Okay, so initially I had asked my followers on Instagram if they thought I was, okay, let me go back a little bit. I'm on like day 6 or 7. I'm well into this Twistout, okay? And it still has definition. So on day 5, I asked if they thought I was going to wash it out or restyle the actual Twistout into a different style. So I am here with the same Twistout, and I am going to go ahead and do another cute little style on top of the current twist that are on the top of the current Twistout. And it's gonna be quick. All I need is some. So did I actually say welcome back to Naturalee'LaTree Inspires? I am Naturalee'LaTree. I am always out to inspire someone, if it's just in a dibble dabble of a way to bring a smile to your day. Excuse me, to give you some inspiration in some kind of way. I don't know, just whatever you grasp from it, I hope it's something positive. So, all I need in order to do the style that I have in mind is going to be very simple, hopefully very quick. Sometimes simple doesn't necessarily always mean quick. So anyway, excuse me, I need some water. Excuse me, I find that to be happening every time I get long-winded, which I have been talking quite a bit for the last 20 minutes because I just did something over on Instagram as well. But I really hope this is a good angle. But so this is gonna be a quick little do. So hairpins or bobby pins, hairbrush. I have some jam, edge wax. Where's edge wax? Let's jam. This is the extra hold. So just a couple quick little things. And I'm gonna start by just putting some of this Africa's Best Ultimate Herbal Oil on my hands. Just so as I go through my hair. I won't be working with no oil. Okay. You know, I'm really hoping this is a good angle here. But anyway, so not to disturb the definition too much, I am going to, first of all, this is where I'm heading into somewhat of a mohawk look. That looks so cute. Already looking cute. But I want this to be sleek on the side, you know, somewhat. To lay well. So I'm actually going to take my brush and just wet it just a little bit. Because I do not want to manipulate my hair in any kind of way without it having some kind of moisture applied to it. So I know this is where I want to lay it, so I'm just take that water there, and I'm also doing the same on the other side. I'm loving how that's hanging toward my face, so I'm gonna leave that like that. And I'm gonna take some of this jam. Now, if I get quiet while working, that's just something I do every now and then. Sometimes I talk, I get long-winded, and sometimes I get quiet, caught in my thought. So first I lay some jam on there. Then I'm gonna overlap it with a little bit of the Murray's Edge Wax, just to give it a stiffer hold, but not so stiff that you dries it out or anything. Okay. My little bracelet get caught in my hair at times, and that disturbs that definition. But as far, see how that's going? So I'm gonna take my bobby pins, and I am going to push it up into here as far as I can get it, twisting and putting my thumb on it just to give it a tighter hold, the base of there. Then I'm going to take another one and I'm going to crisscross it over that one. Just a little overlap of the pin that I just put in there. Okay, so that's giving it a good little hold up there. I feel like I need to put maybe one more. And I'm gonna let the flat side of it be at the top of the hair. Hey, it's looking cute. I like it. So I'm not necessarily gonna take it all the way back today. I don't think. Maybe tomorrow. I'm liking how that's looking. That's cute. Okay, once again, back to this side. And before I actually brush it, I want to make sure I know exactly where I'm trying to lay it at. I want a little bit to my face. I can have a little bit of that bang gang. Y'all seen that? Y'all know what I'm talking about. I'll tell y'all later. It's cute. Now they got that little, it was actually on TikTok, the little bang gang. Cute little humor. So put some jam on this side. Sleek it up. Get some of the Murray's beeswax or edge wax. Brush that up. Yeah, I like my edges to lay good. Okay, go back, grab me about 2-3 more hairpins. Put it here. I think I'm gonna use a couple more on this side because I think I want it to be a little bit more higher. From the side. Okay. So now let's. I feel like that one went in there, didn't. Okay. So maybe 2 more. Yo, that's so cute hanging in my face like that. That's like, you really done put peekaboo styles that everybody do. Okay. Well, they used to do them. Put it back. I don't know what generation you from, but back in the day, I remember everybody had the little peekaboo hairstyle. If you remember the peekaboo, tell me. Everybody had a little hair going to one side. If it was a bob or whatever they had going on, they had a little peekaboo coming through on the side. Okay, so now with that, I see something right here that I'm not caring for. I have my mirror right there too. Look how this is falling to my face. Ooh, tickling my nose a little bit. But I want to shape in here, but not disturb the definition, but just style it a little bit. So I'm just gonna take it and play with it. Just a little bit. At the same time, get this in here. Lay some. It like that. I like it like that. Y'all, somebody asked me, do I like singing? I love to sing. Love it. Sing everything. But I always say, if I can sing, now that's a different story. But I don't care, because I really will sing out loud anywhere to anybody at any time. Because it brings me joy to sing. Look at the definition that's still locked in there. Why would I want to wash this out just yet? You know what I'm saying? It's not time. It's not time. My hair's not itching. I don't feel like it's flaking. I have gone quite a while. I'm well overdue for a wash. Well overdue for a wash. But honey, I'm not bothering it. It's not bothering me. So I feel like I should go ahead and, you know, go a little bit longer with it because I can. Because Lord knows I just came from the 2 weeks of twist that I had. Then I went into the twist out that's been almost 6-7 days. I keep losing days, track of the days. Then now I'm going to this little mohawk. But look at it, so cute, honey. When you get a perfect twist out, you just gotta go with it. But at the same time, what I was getting at with that, I'm promoting. I'm progressing. The growth is there. The more I don't bother my hair, and this is like, just think of a protective style. You don't quite wash your hair as often when you have a protective style, and that promotes more growth. So for me, I'm thinking, me not bothering my hair or washing it or doing too much, combing through it, giving too much tension on the hair strands or anything, that's promoting growth. So I think that's a good thing. I think that's a good thing. I kind of do want to go ahead and go that in there a little more. A little bit more. Just a little bit more. Hope I don't regret it just yet. Just a little bit. Not too deep. Nothing too deep. Okay. Grab me another two hair pins. Y'all, the only thing when I'm wearing my hair like this, me laying on the back of my head or sitting in a chair with a high back, does tend to flatten and throw the back off for me. But it's all good. Just kind of fluff it out a little bit and continue on. Okay. Y'all, I think I want to pin that up in there. just a little bit so it won't hang over so much on the side. Yeah, y'all can do a lot with some hairpins, okay? Just tuck it where you see fit to tuck and get your little style how you want it. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go in on this back here just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay, I'm about to be done, y'all. Sometimes I like talking to y'all. I don't want to always rush through my video. You know what I'm saying? I like to feel y'all in on something. If I rush through it, I might forget something. Let me know if you like longer videos or shorter videos. Some are long, majority are longer. I just feel like they need to at least be over 10 minutes, you know. I don't want to do anything under 10 minutes in my video. Okay, I'm going to tuck that a little bit. Just a little bit. Right here. Ooh, child. And then just kind of, oops, got a string right there. Just kind of go in and pull in the back and shape it because I know it's flat. Now, I don't know if you're an oil sheen person. Anytime, ooh, y'all, this just like, look at how pretty they are. And so, ta-la-la-la-la-la. Ta-la-la-la-la-la. But yeah, just put a little oil sheen on it. I have some oil sheen, but I'm not gonna step off camera to grab it right now. And that oil sheen, you know, it's only gonna give you a coating of a oil on top. Just give you like a little sheen if you need it. But if you got that good lock-in moisture, then you don't have to worry about that either. All right, so that's where I got it right here. I feel like this side is doing something a little more than I want to do. This side, I think is so cute. This side is doing its own thing, but that's okay. It's doing a little more than I wanted to do. I can just play with it. I think it's cute. All right, y'all. So this is what I have. Another style. Get my little peekaboo on top. Just tuck and pull. Not too much to disturb anything. Y'all, I already know this back gonna be till I really get in the mirror. I already know that back probably doing something you don't have no business doing. But even if I take it more to the mohawk, that'll fluff, you know, fluff it up more. But that's not what I'm doing right now. So yeah, that is it for the quick restyle. I don't know how quick it was of my 6-7 day old Twistout. And I like seeing it. So I am Naturalee'LaTree. If you have enjoyed this video, go ahead, like, share, comment. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe so that you and turn on the notification bell so that you can get more videos come from me, because I will be back with more videos. I have a variety of content. I hope you are enjoying these beauty, natural hair content videos, because I love to do them. So hopefully you're enjoying them. And until next time, you already know. I will talk to you later. Yes. Loving it, loving it, loving it.